Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up configure Siemens EV charger for scheduled charging, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Siemens EV charger is properly installed and powered on. Next, locate the charger's control panel. Press the power button if the device is not already on. Connect your EV to the charger using the charging cable. Once connected, navigate to the control panel. Select the menu option that allows you to set up charging schedules. You may need to enter a password or access code, depending on your model. Now, choose the option for scheduled charging. You will see an interface displaying different time slots for charging. Select the desired start time for charging to begin. Then, choose the duration for the charging session. Ensure the finish time is within the vehicle's charging limits. If your charger offers different rate preferences, ensure you select the one that suits your needs. Once all settings are adjusted, review your schedule to confirm accuracy. After verification, save the settings on the control panel. You may receive a confirmation message indicating the schedule is set. Disconnect and secure the charging cable from your vehicle. Your Siemens EV charger is now ready for scheduled charging. Wait for the designated start time to observe the charger function automatically. Monitor the charging process through the control panel, if available. After charging completes, your EV will be ready for use according to the schedule set. This schedule can be modified at any time if your needs change. Always refer to the user manual for specific features related to your model. This will ensure you utilize all functionalities effectively. Remember to keep the firmware updated for optimal performance. Regularly inspect the charger for any signs of wear or damage. Now your Siemens EV charger is configured perfectly for scheduled charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.